Today I'm in the pretty town of Campagna, oozing with authentic Italian charm. Located just 35 minutes from the nearest airport and only 30 minutes to the coast. Let's go look inside Palazzo Maratea. This 500-year-old palazzo has been painstakingly restored, keeping lots of its original features. You can feel and see the history through its vaulted ceilings, stonework and steps. Truly beautiful. Here we are on the third floor of Palazzo Maratea in another bright, spacious two-bedroom apartment. This one includes a terrace and this delightful original fireplace feature. The apartment's fully furnished and interior designed, stylish and elegant, yet comfortable so you can relax in your vacation home. Fully equipped kitchen with the hob, oven, fridge, freezer, everything you need for a breakfast with a view or a cosy night in. Welcome to the guest bedroom, another cosy, comfortable space for your guests to relax in, with its own spacious bathroom and walk-in shower. Here we are in the primary suite. It's been interior designed for those perfect, dreamy, relaxing evenings. It has a large ensuite bathroom with walk-in rain shower and an exciting addition of an outside terrace, perfect for that morning coffee and croissant.